Hey there, money savers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an incredible topic to dive into. How to save big bucks even on a $30,000 salary. Yes, you heard that right. So, whether you're a student, just starting your career, or looking to tighten up your budget, this video is tailor-made for you. Stick around till the end, because we're about to drop some amazing tips and tricks that will help you make the most out of every dollar. Let's jump right in. Segment 1, Setting the Stage. Alright, let's get the ball rolling by addressing the elephant in the room. A $30,000 salary might seem limiting, but trust me, with the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals faster than you think. The key here is budgeting. It's like your financial GPS, showing you exactly where your money is going and helping you steer towards your dreams. Segment 2, Mastering the Art of Budgeting. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. It's your ticket to financial freedom. Start by listing out all your monthly expenses: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and even those little treats. By knowing where every cent goes, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Segment 3, Embracing the Power of Meal Prep. Next up, let's talk about one of the most effective ways to save money: meal prepping. Instead of dining out or ordering in every day, dedicate a few hours on the weekend to cook and pack your meals for the week. Not only will this save you money, but it's also a healthier option. Say goodbye to those impulse fast food purchases. Segment 4, Hacking your shopping habits. Shopping smart is a game changer. When hitting the stores, always go armed with a list and stick to it. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and coupons to stretch your dollars further. And remember, buying in bulk for non-perishable items can lead to significant savings over time. Segment 5, Crushing debt strategically. Debt can be a heavy burden, but you've got the power to manage it strategically. Tackle high-interest debts first, and consider consolidating loans to lower interest rates. Every bit you save on interest is money back in your pocket. And speaking of pockets, let's discuss something you might not expect. Segment 6, The Magic of an Emergency Fund. An emergency fund might not sound exciting, but it's your safety net when unexpected expenses pop up, and they will. Even if it's just a small amount from each paycheck, it adds up over time. It's like giving yourself peace of mind and financial security. Segment 7, Side Hustles and Passion Projects. Alright, let's explore boosting that income. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities for side hustles or turning your passions into profit. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, selling crafts online, or starting a blog, these can all bring in that extra cash to supercharge your savings. Your path to financial freedom. Congratulations! You've now armed yourself with a powerful arsenal of money-saving strategies tailored to a $30,000 salary. Remember, it's not about the amount you earn, but how you manage and grow what you have. By budgeting wisely, embracing smart shopping, tackling debt strategically, and exploring additional income streams, you're well on your way to financial freedom. So, take action today and watch your savings soar. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And hey, share your own money-saving hacks in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep saving and keep thriving. See you soon!